Before buying dishwasher detergent for baby bottles, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Not all detergents are created equal, especially when it comes to tough milk residue and safety for your little one. Product number 1, Molly's Suds Dishwasher Pods. Molly's Suds dishwasher pods caught my eye because they promise a sparkling clean without any harsh chemicals, and they're priced at $19.99. If you want a safe option for your baby bottles that's free from synthetic fragrances, this is worth a serious look. These pods cut through grease and stuck-on food stains, leaving no residue or streaks behind, something you really want when cleaning your baby's feeding gear. They're made with simple ingredients and are mom-approved, developed by a pediatric nurse who understands the need for a clean yet safe environment for your little one. With over 8,800 reviews and a solid 4.3-star rating, it's clear a lot of parents trust this product. Now, some people complained about the price being higher than some alternatives. Here's the thing though, the quality and safety for your baby justifies the price, especially if you're sensitive to harsh chemicals. It's about peace of mind. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a chemical-free option that really works. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget, but keep in mind, you're investing in your child's safety. Now, if the price of Molly's Suds deterred you, the next option offers a fantastic balance of quality and cost. Product number 2, Molly's Suds Dishwasher Powder. Next up is Molly's Suds Dishwasher Powder, retailing at $17.99. Just like their pods, this powder aims for a residue-free clean without harsh chemicals. If you're looking for a slightly different format but the same great results, this is worth your attention. This powder works effectively on tough stains and is safe for all types of dishware, including baby bottles. It's designed with the same mom-approved safety standards as their pods, making it a reliable choice. It's also septic safe, which is a nice bonus if you're environmentally conscious. With a similar rating of 4.3 stars from nearly 8,800 reviews, parents are clearly satisfied. However, some users mention that it can clump if not stored properly. I'll be real with you, if you keep it in a cool, dry place, it shouldn't be a problem. Just ensure you're mindful of storage to avoid wastage. This is perfect if you're looking for a reliable powder option that's also gentle on baby items. Skip this if you prefer the convenience of pods, but for the price, it's a solid choice. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for deep cleaning. Product number 3, GROWNSY Bottle Washer Detergent Tablets. Let's talk about GROWNSY Bottle Washer Detergent Tablets, priced at $18.99. What really stood out to me is that these tablets are designed to tackle the stubborn milk residue and odors that can cling to baby bottles. If you want a product specifically engineered for this need, this is something to consider. They're compatible with all brands of baby bottle washers, making them super versatile. Plus, they're eco-friendly and hypoallergenic, which means zero harmful residues will be left behind. With a rating of 4.7 stars from over 1,400 reviews, buyers seem to love them. Now, some users noted that they can be a bit too strong for occasional use. Here's the thing, though, if you're regularly cleaning bottles, this strength ensures you get a thorough clean every time. Just adjust your usage frequency according to your needs. This is perfect for you if you frequently wash baby bottles and want a solid cleaning solution. Skip this if you only occasionally need to clean bottles, as it might be overkill. Now, if the compatibility of GROWNSY tablets isn't what you're after, the next product is specifically made for a well-known baby bottle washer. Product number 4, Momkazi Official Washing Block. Next, we have the Momkazi Official Washing Block, priced at $19.99. This product is specifically designed for the Momkazi Clean Pal Pro Baby Bottle Washer. If you own that model, this is a match made in heaven. These tablets are engineered to effectively combat stubborn milk residue and odor, making them perfect for daily use. They're safe for babies, which is a big plus, and they provide strong cleaning power while being gentle on delicate items. With a near-perfect rating of 4.9 stars from about 3,000 reviews, it's evident that parents are really happy with this product. However, a drawback is that they're specifically tailored for one machine. Some might find this limiting, but if you own the Clean Pal Pro, this is designed to maximize its cleaning capabilities. This is perfect if you have the Momkazi washer and want the best cleaning results. Skip this if you use a different brand of washer, as they may not perform as well. Finally, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, the next one is a great alternative. Product number 5, Dapple Baby Dishwasher Detergent Pods. Last but not least, we have Dapple Baby Dishwasher Detergent Pods priced at just $9.99. What's great about these is that they're plant-powered and hypoallergenic, making them a safe option for all baby items. If you're looking for something that's both effective and affordable, this could be your go-to. They're also pediatrician tested, which really gives peace of mind when it comes to your baby's health. With a rating of 4.3 stars from about 725 reviews, they're a trusted choice among parents. However, a few users found that they didn't dissolve well in colder water. Here's the thing though, ensure your dishwasher is set to a hotter wash cycle if you want optimal results. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly and plant-based option. Skip this if you prefer a more heavy-duty cleaning solution, as these might not tackle the toughest stains as effectively. Now that we've gone through all 5 products, you have a variety of options to choose from based on your specific needs. To wrap it up, we explored 5 great options: Molly's Suds Pods and Powder for a chemical-free approach, GROWNSY tablets for deep cleaning, Momkazi blocks for specialized use, and Dapple Pods for a budget-friendly choice. Each has its strengths, so consider what's best for you and your baby. Happy cleaning!